Hello, my name is Glenn Woodburn and I'm the principal of the Middle High here at CISB. In our Middle High program, we have MYP through to our DP program. Our students are also associated with the province of New Brunswick, and when they graduate here in grade 12, they are eligible for a New Brunswick diploma, and if they've taken our IB program, they can also get their IB diploma as well. For our high achieving students, they are also able to get a bilingual diploma, both in Chinese and in English. We have a very rigorous academic program, and we're excited to celebrate the success of our graduates every year. Our students achieve excellent results, and thanks to the help of our university counselor, they're accepted to universities across the world. Here's a map of some of the acceptances that our graduates accepted in the last year. In addition to our rigorous academic program, we also have a strong after-school program. Our students are involved in a variety of ASAs, including Debate Club, Model UN, Roots and Shoots, and Days for Girls. You can also see up on our walls that we have a variety of sports teams that compete at a very high level, both in ACAMUS and ISAC. We've won many awards, and we're proud of the achievements and success our teams have acquired over the last 16 years. It's a pleasure having you be part of our open house today, and I just want to say welcome to the home of the Bobcats.
Hi, I'm Flynn Boyle and I'm the Middle High Vice Principal at CISB. At CISB, our mission is to develop learners into passionate leaders, and we support your child through a variety of ways to achieve this. Our advisory programs are small groups of 10 students, so the teachers can really get to know your students and support their social, emotional and academic needs. Our advisory program is focused on team building, on service and on developing their leadership skills. We also have an on-site counsellor to provide additional social and emotional support for your child. Embedded within the curriculum in IB is a strong focus on student well-being. We have a minimum entry requirement for English into Middle High. However, we will provide targeted English language support for your child through their phased English language acquisition class, as well as push-in EAL support in other subjects.
Hi, my name is Paul Steffen and I'm the MYP coordinator here at CISB. I'm here to talk to you about ATL skills, which is actually approaches to learning. It is a central part of our program here in the middle school and high school. ATL skills help students to monitor their own learning, but more importantly, help them to become lifelong learners outside of school. We have many different types of skills. Thinking, we have communication, we have affective skills. We want students to think creatively, we want them to think critically, but we want them also to be able to communicate to their peers and to others outside of our community. We also want them to develop affective skills, which will help them self-manage their emotions, help them organize themselves. It's very important for students to actually be able to transfer these skills into other disciplines and to areas of interest that they have. This allows them then to take new skills and to then transfer it into new learning. Overall, we want these skills to take these students from the school into their own lives and make them into better people. This is a process that we do every day here, but one of the ways we do it is through rich content and through a conceptual learning in all of our subject areas. Our teachers are trained to do this and to develop skills that will be lifelong learning for these students.
At CISB, students study a wide variety of subjects. Language and literature, which we see here, is central to the development of critical thinking. Students study a wide range of literary and non-literary text types, writing styles and techniques, allowing our students to comment on the significance and analyze any possible context, audience or purpose, and the use of linguistic and literary devices. In the mathematics framework for grades 6 to 10, it encompasses algebra, geometry, trigonometry, statistics, and probability. In the DP, students progress to take mathematics, applications and interpretation, or analysis and approaches. Mathematic courses serve students to accommodate a range of needs, interests, and abilities. We aim to develop mathematical knowledge, concepts, and principles. French classes are available for students from grades 9 to 12. At CISB, we provide sustained language learning in at least 2 languages for each year of the MYP and DP. The ability to communicate in a variety of modes in more than one language is essential to the concept of an international education. This course provides a linguistic and academic challenge for students in order to facilitate the best possible educational experience. Visual arts is an integral part of everyday life, permitting all levels of human creativity, expression, communication, and understanding. We celebrate visual arts not only in the way that we create images and objects, but also in the way we appreciate, enjoy, respect, and respond to the practices of art making by others from around the world. We work towards building confidence in our art makers. In addition, we explore and compare visual arts from different perspectives and in different contexts. Students engage with a wide variety of critically acclaimed, traditional and contemporary practices. In design, we challenge all students to apply practical and creative thinking skills to solve design problems. They explore the role of design in historical and contemporary contexts. Through music and music courses, students develop their knowledge as potential musicians, both personally and collaboratively, involving aspects of composition, performance, and critical analysis of music. The science framework encourages students to investigate through research, observation, and experimentation. Scientific inquiry fosters critical and creative thinking about research and design, as well as the identification of assumptions and alternative explanations. In the MYP, students' courses usually include biology, chemistry, and physics, and also may cover environmental science, physics, health, and earth science. In the DP, students can take up to 2 sciences in either biology, chemistry, or physics, and as well as sports, exercise, and health science, and environmental science. Physical and health education empowers students to understand and appreciate the value of being physically active, to develop the motivation for making healthy life choices. Students' physical and health-related knowledge such as components of fitness, training methods, training principles, nutrition, lifestyle, biomechanics, exercise physiology, sports, and first aid. And of course, they study many sports, including gymnastics, aerobics, martial arts, yoga, team sports such as football, basketball, handball, volleyball, and many, many more. In the MYP for grades 6 to 10, we also offer language and literature in Chinese and in English, and we offer language acquisition in Chinese, French, and English. As well as this, we offer individuals and societies, extended mathematics, and drama subjects. For grades 11 and 12, we offer economics, psychology, business studies and management, and introduction to accounting. Students are able to choose from a wide range of subjects. If you have any questions about our subjects or our curriculum, please get in contact with your admissions officer.